Welcome back. Now let us learn one of the very interesting and very important topic, time series. From history point of view, time series is, as far as I have read a story and the research paper, those are almost 200 years old. There have been many stories which mathematician, business people, they have used time series for their work, and they have been quite successful as well. So let's understand the time series, the main important part between any data which we have learned till now. That data is same, but only the time aspect is there. So time is one of very important data, and that is making it different. And we have been using the time series almost in our day-to-day life. If you see those who invest in shares, so you know very well that every day the price depends on lot of the factors. The price yesterday, the current economic factor, the how the company is doing, and so on. So the time is a very important factor. So let's go ahead and see how. Let's learn the further aspect of the time series. Few of the definitions let us learn first. One is seasonality. Seasonality basically of the any data that has been how frequently that has been collected. So basically it could be daily, weekly, monthly, and so on. Some people also call the frequency. Some places I also have seen the using the word period. So depending upon the research paper and the time, it is almost they're trying to convey the same thing, but has a different word they use it. That is what the seasonality is all about. Now the trend. Trend is basically any movement, any pattern, whether it is up or down, and that is a bit long term. So what is up? We have always asked what is the economic trend for the next 1 year, 2 years, and right now you will see, okay, for this kind of market, economic trend is quite good. So you may have heard these kind of sentences many times. Cycle. Basically, any kind of rise and falls, those are not a fixed period, but sometimes generally you'll find it happens. See the Christmas time, during school vacation time, the prices of airfare goes up, plus booking of all the hotels are almost 90 to 100% occupied, and those things. That does not happen quite frequently, but during festival time and other things, the prices also changes accordingly. Before we go ahead and learn few of the important concept, there is some concept I know that you have and do you know covariance and correlation in the statistics. So in time series there is something called autocovariance and autocorrelation. So basically, how the current data is related with the lagged value of the current data. Lag means basically difference. Say you can say step 1, lag 1 means step 1 back, lag 2 means step 2 back, and so on. So how the current data is related with the lag value of the current data itself. So this will be autocorrelation will be used quite frequently. And now let us go ahead and see a few more things. See, whenever you have seen the time series, basically say the share price is say $100, but that $100 is having lot of things embedded. So this is the $100 you see around Y. That is a function of the seasonality, trend, and some error term. So $100 is no more a basically single number. It is embedding part of the seasonality, trend, and remainder. So then the question comes, can we decompose it? Yes, there is a lot of the way to decompose it. And there is something called additive decomposition. So basically it is similar to the kind of sum of all the terms. Some places you might have heard the multiplicative decomposition, which is the basically multiplication of all these terms and so on. There is another technical way to decompose is STL decomposition. STL means seasonal and trend decomposition using losses. Losses is one of the method for estimating non-linear relationship. So this STL decomposition is very versatile, and it's used by most of the company I have seen. It is reverse to the outliers. It is additive, and it uses the sum of the Box-Cox transformation today as well. And I hope you recollect that sometimes we have to do the transformation of the data. This one I had explained during the regression time. If you don't, then do not hesitate to write it on the discussion forum. I'll explain it again. In a still plot, when it is broken, basically when the still plot is generated, it looks like this. This one we are going to use in the hands-on also. But let me explain it here. See, this is your actual data. This has been broken the seasonality, basically how frequent that data has been captured. So this is the seasonality part, trend. If you see that this is the line, it is showing the long-term trend of the data. And some remain basically some kind of error. So the still plot works like this. Now let us go ahead and do a little bit of hands-on. That will be talking about basic plots, basically what are the basic things which we can do with time series, and also we'll do some how to find it out, how those two time series are similar, what is the trend analysis and so on. So we'll try to find it out, those kind of things as well. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching it.